would like to leave a review as to why I chose instasmile. During lockdown, unfortunately, I lost a tooth. So I only needed the bottom set, which is this colour, to match my teeth. I'll just put them in to show you. But I thought they were a little bit too white for my original teeth. So I'll just take these out. So instasmile very kindly sent me the next colour down, which is A3, and I'm just going to put these in now. And as you can see, they match my teeth a lot better. I found the whole experience via instasmile was very quick and very efficient, and I was surprised at how comfortable they are. I can eat and drink with them, and I feel a lot more confident now, as I think it's been too long for me to go dentist to get the right size tooth. That's my excuse, and I'm going to stick to it. But as you can see, they do match nicely. I am a smoker and I do like to drink wine, but they also sent me some nice teeth whitening products as well. So I'm going to go with that as well. And all I can say is I'm extremely happy with the results, and I've got my confident smile back now. All right, good luck to everyone who try them, because you will not be disappointed. Bye.